Welcome back to Tiff Farms Tuesday Tips. It's raining outside, so I'm going to give you 2 tips. So the first tip for gardeners is to know your hardiness or your planting zone. So basically what that means is that you need to know what your climate is to grow your vegetables and flowers successfully. So just basically do a Google search, put in your zip code for hardiness or planting zone, and that will tell you what zone you live in. I live in zone 7B. So there's certain things that can be grown in California that can't be grown in where I live, or certain things that can be grown up north that can't be grown down south. So knowing where your hardiness zone is, knowing what your hardiness zone is helpful. If you decide to buy a tropical plant, you're gonna know, if you're not living in the tropics, that you're gonna have to bring it indoors over the winter or in the garage somewhere where you can overwinter it. So that is an important thing for all gardeners to know, and usually your seed catalogs, your seed packets, sometimes the labels of items that you buy will have the hardiness zone. Tip number 2 is know your last spring frost date and your first fall frost date. The days in between are the actual days that you will have based on your dates of growing. So I got 120 something days in my calendar, my frost date calendar. So that's what you would do. You would put in a search for your frost date calendar, put in your zip code. So those are the days that I have. So I have a lot of days, so I can do succession planting. I can start off in the spring with certain vegetables and succession plant and have another extended season, like come August, September, October. Sometimes we still have warm climate. So I just want to let you know those are 2 tips that I've given you on this nice rainy day. That's why I'm inside. Otherwise, I'm an outdoor person. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday.